In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill password with Bitwarden. We'll walk through setting up a new login in the Bitwarden browser extension, turning on the visual autofill option so it shows up where you need it, and then testing it to make sure everything works smoothly. First, open the Bitwarden extension at the top of your browser. You'll usually find it on the toolbar. If you don't see it, check the extensions or add-ons menu and pin it for quick access. When you click the Bitwarden icon, your Vault panel opens. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can create and manage items right from this panel. Next, add the login you want Bitwarden to autofill. In the extension panel, click New or Add Item. Choose the login type if prompted. Give the entry a clear name so you can recognize it later, then enter the username or email and the password you use for that site. For best results, include the website address in the URI or website field so Bitwarden knows exactly where to offer the autofill. Double check that the details are correct and then save. This creates a secure entry in your vault that the extension can match to the site when you visit it. Now, let's make sure the on-page autofill prompt is enabled. Open the extension panel again, go to Settings, find the Autofill section, and confirm that Show Autofill is turned on. This setting is what displays the Bitwarden prompt or icon directly in login fields, making it easy to fill without extra clicks. Keep this on so the experience is streamlined and consistent across sites you visit. After finishing adding the account, it's time to try it. Navigate to the site's login page in your browser. Click into the username or email field and look for the Bitwarden prompt or icon. You can either click that prompt or open the extension from the toolbar, select your saved login, and choose autofill. Bitwarden will populate the username or email and the password into the correct fields. From there, submit the form as you normally would. If you don't see the prompt right away, refresh the page, make sure the website address and your saved login matches the page you're on, and confirm that Show Autofill is still enabled in settings. Also check that you save the item in your vault and that you're signed into the correct account in the extension. That's it. You've added a login, enabled the on-page prompt, and verified autofill with Bitwarden, making sign-ins faster and more secure.